Ever felt overwhelmed by task management? Then you're in the right place, because today, we're diving into Jira, the powerful project management tool, perfect for getting you started. First things first, logging in. Once you have your Jira account, enter your credentials and you're in. This is your Jira dashboard. Think of it as mission control. Here you'll find access to everything, from your projects to your tasks. Let's create a project. Click the Create button, usually located at the top or in the navigation menu. Select a project type, like software development, give your project a name, and you're ready to go. Now, let's explore the magic of boards. Click on Kanban or Scrum depending on your project's methodology. These visual representations of your workflow show tasks, usually represented as cards, moving across columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Time to create your first task or issue. Click a suitable column, select Create, and then fill out the fields, adding a title, description, and assigning it to yourself or a team member. Inside each task, you'll find essential details, description where you add specifics, assignee to assign responsibility, labels to categorize tasks, priority for urgency, and status to track progress. A huge part of using Jira is the ability to easily shift tasks across columns. Drag your task card between columns as its status updates. This simple process helps track progress. As you start implementing these basics, you'll have a strong foundation to streamline your workflow and organize and plan projects more effectively.